So they say Valentine's Day is all about senses.
They say.
And scent plays a big role. To help us understand more about this, we are joined by Stand Firm fragrance influencer and founder of Vibrand Collections, Romaine Bailey. Morning, Romaine.
Good morning,
Hi,
sir. How are
Romaine.
you? Blessings, man.
Everything good?
Yes, man.
Tell me about your business first before you tell us what you brought here.
All right, so this business was found in 2020, where we used to sell only Bath and Body Works and also Victoria's Secret set. But we realized that the demand was there for fragrances. So I got a gift, a club dinner as a gift. And I was realizing to myself that this fragrance was that good. I did not know much about Arabic fragrances, but the compliment was great. The scent was luxurious. And I was saying to myself, I could tap into this and do a business. And we got it registered in 2025. So actually, couple of days from now, it will be 1 year old.
Oh,
wow.
And congratulations.
Yes.
So these are all what you call Arabian fragrances?
Right.
Why just Arabian?
No, it's not just Arabian. It's also designer, but I just bring Arabian today because I'm trying to get it out there for persons to know that Arabian fragrances are that good. They're inspiration of designer fragrances. And if you use them, I can guarantee you will enjoy them. The scents are great. The prices are also great. They're budget-friendly fragrances.
What? I'm not here to do an interview. I'm just here to smell. Go ahead. Mhm.
Which one is the best one you got so far?
All. And what I like is that the bottles are very sexy.
Yes, and their packaging also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go
So,
ahead, Nevs.
do you have fragrances for different kinds of people? So you have fragrances, and not just
Neville.
male and
Yes.
female, but you have younger people, older people,
Yes,
or it doesn't matter?
Right. We have fragrances for everybody. And as you know, when we're going to ask a person about a fragrance or we're going to introduce a fragrance to a person, we have to know that if they have any form of sickness like bad sinus, and then we'll help to choose fragrances because fragrances are really based off personality. So that's what we do. So based on your personality, fragrances that we allow you to test, the way you react to the fragrance, that's how we choose fragrance for
What you mean by based on my personality?
All right.
First thing, how you know my personality?
I know
No,
your
all right.
personality. This is your.
So,
This one is
what
Neville's
happened?
personality. This one is you.
Great.
This one is Neville. This
All right.
is your
So,
personality.
you know,
right
you have
here.
strong fragrance, you have subtle fragrance.
This is you.
So, if I'm going to choose a fragrance for you, what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay out some fragrances on the table and I'll allow you to test. And based on your reaction on a fragrance, I will know that, all right, listen, never like floral, never like gourmand, maybe like sweet, citrusy, or spicy.
What do
And
you
that's how I help to choose fragrance. for
Neville,
you.
what do you
Never
like?
very
Subtle?
mild.
Mild.
Mild
Oh.
fragrance. All right. So,
This?
Because of my sinus, as
Yes.
you said.
Great.
If I, this is going to sound strange, but if I smell what I have on, I
Yes.
can't wear it.
My God. All right. So
This?
a fragrance that I would recommend, this is one, but I would prefer to give this one to you. And this is an inspiration of Baccarat Rouge 540, a very expensive fragrance, as you know. This one is from Fragrance World. Now, this fragrance have Unbraxan in it, so it allows you to go nose blind, where you won't smell the fragrance, but persons will smell the fragrance on you. So this would be a great fragrance for you to use.
Well, I know you say expensive. How much is that?
No, not this one. This is budget friendly, but
You can
the
afford
original,
it.
the original is expensive. Baccarat Rouge 540, the original fragrance is about $350. This is just for $9,000. So this is an inspired fragrance of the Baccarat Rouge, and it do smell just like it.
Does it last long?
Yes, it do. You can get between 12 to 14 hours out of this fragrance. And you have fragrance that you will get 9 hours, 10 hours, and also 24 hours, and even longer.
Tell
based
us
on the
about.
fragrance.
Tell us about the bestsellers for ladies.
All right, the best sellers I have here for ladies in my collection, this would be one. This is a rose fragrance. It is inspired by Louis Vuitton Rose Despente. This is one of the best rose fragrance I've ever smelled personally. That's very good.
And what about for the men? Bestseller.
And for the men, as you know, the Afghan Supremacy Collector's Edition. And I'm gonna always talk about this fragrance. Reason being,
Which one?
This one right here.
The one I gave.
The reason being, I talk about this fragrance so much. In early 2025, I saw this bottle and I was saying to myself, I really like this bottle. I did not buy the fragrance based off what I know about the fragrance, is because of the bottle. And then I realized the fragrance was so good. And I start to give this information out. I start telling persons about it. And now the fragrance is viral. Everybody wants Afghan Supremacy Collector's Edition. Very great scent.
I think one of the things that I like about these is the bottles. You know,
Right.
people, when you put this, whether in your bathroom or in your
Right.
bedroom, This makes, for example, an excellent, and even after it finishes, you can still keep it.
Yes.
This one is called
Confession.
His Confession, darling. Right. His Confession. I love this. I love the packaging. I love the fact that you seem to know what you're talking about. Right. So you can tell Neville because you have sinuses. Some people just sell perfume just because.
It's not about the money.
It's not about the
money. It's about the love that you have for fragrance. And I like when I'm having a conversation about fragrance, we can have a good conversation. And when I allow you to choose something, you can call me and say, yes, stand firm, this is working for me.
Valentine's Day coming up. Is there a fragrance here that you would suggest that I give to my lady and that my lady should give to me?
Yes, of course. Now let me tell you, based on Valentine's, as you know, Valentine's is about love.
Yes.
And we know that we're going to be going out on dates, we're going to be enjoying ourselves. So I would definitely want you to smell great and your partner to smell great beside you. And I would prefer for you guys to go with such a fragrance because going on a date, you're going to be around other persons. Right. And you do not want your fragrance to affect anyone else. So this would be a great fragrance to introduce to you. This is Liquid Brand from French Avenue. It is an inspiration of Perfume de Mali Altair. This would be for you. And then this is a Gourmand Vanilla fragrance. And then this one would work definitely for your wife or your partner. All right? She would enjoy it. Your wife. Great. All right? Arm of Effect of Unique. Nice vanilla fragrance. I think Janella would tell you that she's enjoying this fragrance before she came on. This is a great fragrance right here.
This is good too.
I just want to take away everything.
Right?
And I wish I could give them all to her.
I love this. This is giving bubble gum. This is giving fun.
Marshmallow.
Trust me, the packaging is just absolutely.
Where are you found, sir?
All right, I'm located in St. Elizabeth. I do island. St. Elizabeth, yes, Santa Cruz to be exact. I do island-wide shipping, Knotsford, and also zip mail. So it's an online-based business for now. Okay. But we're planning on advancing, getting bigger and better. As I said, it's actually 1 year old, and we're growing this platform, and we want persons to know about us. So,
Congrats. Were you damaged badly because of the hurricane?
Majority of my family members. But for me, I lost a little of stuff, but it did not stop me from doing business. What I did, I made sure that I got myself a Starlink. I got a generator, and I just continue to do business and just take it out of my mind that we are damaged.
Amazing.
Yes.
Respect, brother.
Yes, man.
All right, Stand Firm fragrance influencer and founder of Vibrand Collections. His name is Romaine Bailey. What's coming up next?
Coming up, Love, Wrapped and Ready. We look at gift ideas for him and her.